And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like Tabula ads or other like that things from your REALME Pad Mini. So at the start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups and you're trying to visit any site or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first one is by the settings, so we have to of course open the settings, then choose the apps and notification and choose all apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognizing the name, choose the filter like that, like this one for example, and choose uninstall. Click OK and go back to the app list, and in the second step go to your web browser. So go again to the app list, look for your web browser and choose storage and cache. Now tap on the clear storage and tap on the clear all data. Click OK, and now your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store, look for your antivirus app and choose one of them. I'm always using Avast, so in this app just click on the scan now and add the permissions to the files, go back and choose scan time, always using the deep scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the viruses on your device should be deleted forever. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.